Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a luxury DIY headboard and I hope you enjoy it. All you're going to need is some foam board from any big box store, 8 by 4 feet, a glue gun with glue sticks, some command strips, the ones that are about 8 pounds, about 3 packs of those, and some upholstery pins or straight pins. So all you're going to do is take the material or fabric of your choice. This is what I chose, for alligator skin, and you're going to just size up the headboard. I wanted mine to be sort of tall to give it that really glamorous, luxurious look, and then I doubled it up and just hot glue gunned the pieces together for the width and the size that I wanted. After that, you just start wrapping whatever your fabric is around it. You can either use upholstery pins or straight pins. Don't use a stapler because it will mess up the foam board. You can see how I pinned mine. It's like any other upholstery. I didn't even have to use any padding or anything. It went really fast, and voila, I'm already done. You can actually see the way it looks and how tall it will be, and I just love the way the black faux alligator looks with the way the light hits it. You can see it. You can actually add anything like nail head trim or any other embellishments of your choice. So I hope you like this video. Here's the final picture of it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to be a part of my family. So please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this, and it was under $25. Have a great day.